The feature of this home screen is the formula run. Now, in the formula run, as you can see, there are 23 active and 0 error formulas for right now. The next thing is to replace formulas. So by replacing formulas, what we mean is that the formulas will be replaced with the result. So it won't call the function again and again when the sheet refreshes. So for example, let's see these two. Let's take these three. So replace formulas in selection or sheet. If we select the in sheet option, it will replace all the formulas within the sheet. Right now, I'll do the in selection option. So replace formulas. So for these particular, as you can see now, the formulas has been replaced for all the selected ones, not for this. So now these are the results are being written back as strings as a result and not a formula. So we can see, we can refresh it. It should auto refresh. We can see the formulas now in the sheet. Another thing is the regenerate option here. So the regenerate option is, let's say we select these two and we click regenerate in selection. So what it does, it basically calls the refreshes the formula in that particular selection. So now it has refreshed these two. Okay, let's uh, there's a point to note over here in the replace formulas thing is, for example, if we want to replace any list based formula, for example Gemini list, or any formula which has given uh, which is giving the result in multiple rows, so we need to select all the rows and then click on replace formulas in selection, so that all the data will remain in the sheet. Now, as you can see, the formula has been replaced. It's just text. So these are all text. So this is one thing to note over here. Another feature over here is the pause function. So when we have clicked pause and sorry. So all the functions will be paused now. It won't call the API until we click on resume option over here. So when we click on resume, now these functions will be refreshed later on.